Welcome back to Car Spot, the home of speed, style, and automotive innovation. If you're passionate about cars that push boundaries, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases in the world of performance luxury, the 2026 BMW M9. This isn't just another BMW, it's the bold new face of the M division, combining futuristic design with raw power in a way we haven't seen before. The 2026 M9 is rumored to be BMW's flagship hypercoupe, aimed at rivaling giants like the Mercedes-AMG GT Black Series and even some entries from Ferrari and McLaren. Under the hood, it's expected to carry a hybrid V8 engine, producing over 700 horsepower, possibly even reaching 800 with electric boost. That means 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, and a top speed pushing 200 miles per hour. The design, absolutely stunning, with a low-slung stance, aggressive aerodynamic lines, and signature laser-thin headlights, the M9 is a blend of brutal performance and futuristic elegance. The kidney grills are slimmer, more integrated, and finally match the modern aesthetic fans have been asking for. Inside, the cabin screams ultra-modern luxury. Expect a curved digital dashboard, ambient lighting, carbon fiber accents, and an AI-powered infotainment system with real-time performance analytics. BMW is clearly targeting both the driving purist and the tech lover. But perhaps the most exciting part, the M9 is expected to be limited edition. That means exclusivity, and with BM's M heritage, collectors and enthusiasts are already lining up, even before the official release. Of course, pricing hasn't been confirmed yet, but estimates suggest it could start at around $180,000 to $200,000, depending on the final specs and packages. So, is the 2026 BMW M9 just hype, or is it truly a game changer? From what we know so far, BMW isn't just building a car, they're making a statement. And we can't wait to see it hit the roads. That's all for today's look at the upcoming M9. What are your thoughts? Would you take the M9 over a Porsche 911 Turbo or a McLaren Artura? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching Car Spot, where every car has a story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the hottest rides. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.